Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download ROE from Service Canada account. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, go to the My Service Canada account website. Once you are on the homepage, click on the View All Services option. After that, scroll down and find the Record of Employment or ROE option. Click on it, and this will take you to this page. If you are an employer who needs to issue an ROE, you will need to sign in through the ROE web service. However, if you want to view your own ROE that was issued by your employer, you need to sign in or register for a My Service Canada account. Next, choose your preferred sign-in method. You can log in using Interact Sign-In Partner, GC Key, or a provincial sign-in option. Keep in mind that the provincial sign-in option is only available for residents of British Columbia and Alberta. After signing in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. Look for the Record of Employment section or any available ROE documents listed in your account. Click on the ROE you want to view, and it will open the full record. Once the document is open, look for the Download, Export, or Print option. Select the option you need to save a copy of your ROE to your device or print it for your records. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download ROE from Service Canada account. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.